we have a 3 partners in this sum, Hira, Zelia and Saeed were into the partnership business who shared profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1 respectively. What was their profit sharing ratio? The profit sharing ratio is given, that is 3:2:1 is what their profit sharing ratio was. Now next, the balance sheet is given on 31st of March 2017. Now liabilities is given, assets are given. Now liabilities में सबसे पहले what they have given the capital. The capital of all the 3 partners are given. So class, when the capital balance is given, where we used to record in the ledger account, when we prepare a ledger, we write it down in the partners capital account credit side. Next is outstanding expenses are there. So outstanding expenses, they are payable, still we have to pay this expenses. ठीक है, अभी भी वो पे करना बाकी है. So again this is your liability, outside liability. Bank overdraft, outside liability. Sundry creditor, again your outside liability. So where we record the outside liability, one in the realization account while transferring the liabilities. Second, it will also form the part of your purchase consideration. ठीक है. Next is, if you see building, machinery, stock, debtors and the cash. ये क्या है? This is your assets. If the revised value of the assets is given in the other information, then you will have to write down the revised value in the while writing the purchase consideration. And इसका जो second और क्या जाता है, जो भी book values पर है, we transfer this in the realization account at the book value. Now the very important thing in this sum is preliminary expenses are given. So what are preliminary expenses? Are your fictitious assets, your accumulated loss. तो ये जो है वो कौन bear करेगा? This will be bear by your partners. तो ये हम कहाँ पर ट्रांसफर करेंगे? This loss will, these are the accumulated loss and it will be transferred to the partners capital account in the profit sharing ratio. So what will be the journal entry for this? This is a loss and it will be bear by a partners. So partners capital account debit to preliminary expenses account. Okay, this is what the journal entry is. Okay. Now next is, it was decided by all the partners to convert their partnership firm into the joint stock company. So here the partnership is getting dissolved and now it is getting converted into a joint stock company. The effects will remain the same by the name Hixeco Limited. For this purpose, it was decided to revalue the assets as follows. Now, revised value of the building, machinery and the stock is given. So, when we will be writing down the purchase consideration, we will be writing down the revised value of the assets. ठीक है. And अगर revised value नहीं दिया तो we will be writing down the book value in the purchase consideration. All the other assets, मतलब इसको छोड़ के जितने भी assets है और जितनी भी external liabilities है except for the bank overdraft, means all the assets and all the liabilities, outside liabilities, but bank overdraft को छोड़ के were to be taken over by the new company at the book value. सो बैंक लायबिलिटीज में बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट को छोड़ के दूसरी जितनी भी एक्सटर्नल लायबिलिटीज है वो, और ये 3 असेट्स का रिवाइज्ड वैल्यू छोड़ के दूसरे जितने भी असेट्स है दैट विल बी ट्रांसफर्ड, दैट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द परचेज कंसिडरेशन एट द बुक वैल्यू. नाउ परचेज कंसिडरेशन वाज टू बी डिस्चार्ज. नाउ अब ये परचेज कंसिडरेशन का पैसा न्यू फर्म हमें कैसे दे रही है? ओके, हाउ दिस न्यू कंपनी इज गिविंग अस दिस परचेज कंसिडरेशन? तो बाय द फॉर्म ऑफ इक्विटी शेयर्स. So 6,000 equity shares in Hixeco Limited of ₹100 each at par. Means 6,000 तो shares है and value of one share is how much? It is ₹100. So total amount of the shares becomes 6 lakh. 6,000 shares और एक share की value है 100. So 6,000 into 100 it will be 6 lakh. And balance whatever would be left, मतलब after giving purchase consideration में से 6 lakh rupees के equity shares निकालने के बाद whatever the balance amount will be left that will be your cash. ठीक है, वो हम उसको balance cash में pay करेंगे. Okay, so new company will be paying the cash of the balance to the partners. Now what has been required? You are required to calculate the purchase consideration. Now the revised value of the asset is given, so we can easily identify that this is a net asset method of purchase consideration. ठीक है, we had 3 methods. नेट असेट मेथड होता है, एक नेट पेमेंट मेथड होता है और एक लमसम मेथड होता है. So this is which method? Since the revised value is given, so this is a net asset method. Next is pass the journal entries to close the books of the old firm. Narrations not required. So you will have to write down journal entries. There is no need to prepare the ledger accounts. But remember one thing, even while writing the journal entries, there is no need to write down the narration. You will be writing down without narrations. But ये तो specific दिया है. What if they are not giving us the specific things? So if this अगर specifically mention नहीं किया है, then narration will be your part of the solution. Okay? Journal entries में फिर narration लिखना है. चलो, so let's first prepare the purchase consideration. So prepare a format of purchase consideration. Write down calculation of purchase consideration. Write down the revised value of the assets. Now we have a revised value which has been given for the building. Kitna hai? 4 lakh. So first we will be writing down building 4 lakh. Next we have a machinery of 1 lakh. So write down the revised value of machinery 1 lakh. Third one, we have a revised value of the stock is given. That is 51,000. So write down revised value of the stock 51,000. Now ये तीन को छोड़ के दूसरे जितने भी assets है that will be transferred at the book value. ठीक है? So after stock we have a sundry debtors. So we will write down sundry debtors and the book value is 80,000. So record the book value of 80,000. Next is cash. But remember one thing, bank overdraft has not been taken over by a new company. So bank overdraft will be paid out of the amount of cash by the पार्टनर्स. ठीक है, अगर कैश में सफिशिएंट बैलेंस है तो हम बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का जो भी पैसा है वो कहाँ से सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे, वो हम कैश से. तो वी हैव अ 97,000 का कैश एंड इफ यू सी द बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट वी हैव अ 25,000 ऑफ द बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. सो कैश, इतना कैश कम, अब इफ आई एम पेइंग द बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट फ्रॉम द कैश तो उतना कैश का बैलेंस मेरे पास से कम हो जाएगा. ठीक है, सो 97 माइनस 25,000 इज ऑफ अ बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. तो अब नेट बैलेंस ऑफ द कैश मेरे पास कितना बचा, 72,000. ठीक है, व्हेन आई सबट्रैक्ट दिस 25,000 फ्रॉम 97,000 आई विल बी गेटिंग 72,000 का कैश बैलेंस. सो व्हेन आई टेक अ टोटल ऑफ द असेट्स, सी डाउन, it is 7,03,000. So write down total assets. A part 7,03,000. Now assets में से what we will subtract, we will be subtracting the liabilities from it. ठीक है, so we have only two liabilities because bank overdraft is not taken over by a new company. So record outstanding expenses at the book value 36,000. Outstanding expense 36,000 and sundry creditors with their book value 24,000. So if I take the total of the liabilities, how much it is coming? It is coming to 60,000. So total liability is 60,000. Have you will be getting the purchase consideration? Assets minus liabilities. Total assets minus total liabilities will give you the purchase consideration. So 7,03,000 minus 60,000. 7,03,000 minus 60,000 will give you 6,43,000 का purchase consideration. So you got a purchase consideration of 6,43,000. Done? Now, what they have told us to discharge the purchase consideration. So how this discharge of purchase consideration has been done? Let's see this discharge part now. Now see, कितना मिला हमें purchase consideration? We got 6,43,000 of purchase consideration. अब इसमें से क्या बोला था? 6,000 equity shares of ₹100 each. So 6,000 into 100, if I do, I will be getting 6 lakh. तो उतना इक्विटी शेयर्स मिलेगा पार्टनर्स को. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस जो भी बैलेंस बच गया दैट विल बी गिवन इन द कैश. So 6,43,000 में से if I subtract 6 lakh of equity shares, I will be getting 43,000 का cash balance. And this will be your balancing figure. Q, because they have told us in the B part that balance to be paid in the cash. So this will be paid in the cash. Okay, clear till here? Now we have to draw the format of the journal. So class, draw the format of the journal. Chalo. Draw the format. Give the heading journal entries. Now this we have to write down in the books of old partnership firm. So give the heading in the books of old partnership firm. Now we will follow the sequence which we used to follow. The first entry which we used to pass is for transferring the various assets in the realization, because we are closing the books of the old firm now. So first entry will be for transferring the assets. So realization account debit to assets account. Realization account debit to assets. Now we have a building of 3 lakh. We have to transfer this at the book value. हम realization में कौन से value पर transfer करते हैं? We transfer it at the book value. So 3 lakh. Next is furniture 1 lakh 20. So write down furniture account 1 lakh 20. Third one is a stock of 70,000 to stock 70,000 and sundry debtors of 80,000 to two sundry debtors 80,000. Why we are not writing down cash? We will be showing them a separate entry, because from the cash we have subtracted the amount of bank overdraft. ठीक है, तो separate entry will be shown for the same. We do not have to write down the narration. Take a total. The total of all this will come to 5,70,000. So write down 5,70,000 on the debit side. Write down 5,70,000 on the debit side. Now second, the sequence will be, second one will be for transferring the liabilities, and only external liabilities will be written. So first one is your outstanding expenses 36,000. So entry will be liabilities account debit to realization. So write all the external liabilities at the book value. So 36,000 ki outstanding expenses. Next is bank overdraft for 25,000. So we will write down bank overdraft 25,000. Sundry creditors 24,000. So liabilities to realization, to realization account. Take the total. It is coming to 85,000. So write down 85,000 on the credit side. So write 85,000 on the credit side. Any doubt till here? Yes, class, any doubt till here? Fine. Now third one, this preliminary expense, that is accumulated loss, should be transferred to the partner's capital account, because this will be borne by a, who will bear this? This will be borne by a partners. So what will be the journal entry? Partners capital account debit to preliminary expenses. And as I told you, this will be divided among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. पता है अगर हमें reserves भी दिया होता है on the liability part, we what we do, we bifurcate that reserve in the profit sharing ratio and we used to write down in the partners capital account credit side. Same way this time we have an accumulated loss with us. So when the fictitious asset is given, then what we will be doing? We will be recording this on the partners capital account debit side in the profit sharing ratio. So what is the amount? 18,000 is the amount given of the preliminary expense. If I divide this in the profit sharing ratio, what is profit sharing ratio in this sum? 3:2:1. So we have to divide this amount in the ratio of 3:2:1. So when I divide this 18,000 in this ratio, I will be getting 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. So Hira's capital account debit with 9,000. Zelia's capital account debit with 6,000 and Syed capital account debit with 3,000 to preliminary expenses. So in short, partners capital account debit to preliminary expenses account. Pass the entry with 18,000. Next will be, we will be recording the purchase consideration. तो परचेज कंसिडरेशन का एंट्री क्या आएगा? न्यू कंपनी अकाउंट डेबिट टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. वी हैव अ नेम ऑफ द न्यू कंपनी इन दिस सम. द न्यू कंपनी इज Hixico Limited Company. See over here. So Hixico Limited account debit to realization account. To realization account. What is the amount of purchase consideration? 6,43,000. So pass the entry with 6,43,000. Pass the entry with 6,43,000. Done. अब मैंने क्या बताया था कि कैश का हम अलग से एंट्री पास करके दिखाएंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द एंट्री फॉर रिकॉर्डिंग दिस कैश? रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश अकाउंट. असेट है ना, तो असेट ट्रांसफर की एंट्री क्या होती है? रियलाइजेशन टू कैश. नाउ व्हाट वाज द नेट अमाउंट ऑफ द कैश आफ्टर डिडक्टिंग द बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट फ्रॉम इट्स ईयर? कितना था? 97 minus 25. We have already done this. This comes to 72,000. So pass the entry with 72,000. So realization account debit to cash account 72,000. अब देखो कैश अकाउंट हैव अ डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ 97, ठीक है, और क्रेडिट में 72. स्टिल वी हैव अ 25,000 का बैलेंसिंग फिगर. वी हैव टू पास दैट एंट्री एज वेल. तो 25,000 का हमने क्या किया? हमने बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट को पे किया. करेक्ट? वी हैव पेड द बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. So after writing this, you will be passing this entry first. Realization account debit to bank overdraft 25,000. Realization account debit to bank overdraft 25,000. So बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट का हम पेमेंट कर रहे, बट वी आर डूइंग दिस पेमेंट विद द कैश. It's better we write down to cash because this payment has been made in the form of cash and cash is going out. So realization account debit to cash account 25,000. So if you see cash account credit with 72, ठीक है, and your cash account got credited with 25. तो 72 plus 25 कितना हो गया? 97. 97. So this is what the cash ka balance is, 97,000. See here in the balance sheet. Clear? अब क्या करना है? अब डिस्चार्ज की एंट्री पास करेंगे. So what a new company is giving to the partners, new company is giving the equity share and the balance amount in the cash. So let's pass the entry. Equity shares in the Hixico account debit with how much? 6 lakh rupees. तो 6 lakh rupees कैश का बैलेंस हमने फाइंड आउट किया, कितना आ रहा है? 43,000. सो कैश अकाउंट डेबिट 43,000. एंड हु इज द गिवर? Ixico Limited company is giver. So total 6,43,000 का total you will be writing down in the credit side. 6,43,000. Any doubt till here? So just for doing one gist, what we have done, हमने अब तक assets transfer की entry की in the realization. Then second one we did for the liabilities. Third, we have recorded the purchase consideration. Fourth, preliminary expenses का bifurcation किया, partners capital bear करेंगे, partners will be bearing this. Then what we did, we have passed the entry for the cash and then we did the payment for the bank overdraft. ठीक है? And the सबसे last seventh entry which we passed will be for discharging your this purchase consideration. So what a new firm is giving us? The new firm is giving the shares and the balance amount in the cash to the partners. So any doubt till here? Any doubt till the seventh entry? No? Fine. Chalo. Next, let's move ahead. Now next part. So we have almost completed with the sum. मतलब कुछ भी नहीं है तो we can close the realization account. Because realization account अभी इसके बाद का step क्या आता था? When we prepare the ledger, we always used to first close the realization account. अब देखो पहले realization close करने के लिए we have to find it out, the amount. पहले find out करो कितने एंट्रीज में रियलाइजेशन क्रेडिट हुआ है. टेक अ कैलकुलेटर इन योर हैंड. चलो किधर किधर क्रेडिट हुआ है रियलाइजेशन? फर्स्ट इज ओवर हियर इन द सेकेंड एंट्री. व्हाट इज द अमाउंट? 85,000. सो राइट 85,000. राइट द 85,000 ऑन द कैलकुलेटर. अब दूसरे जगह कौन से जगह पर रियलाइजेशन क्रेडिट हुआ है? ईयर 6,43,000. सो एड 6,43,000. So total कितना आ गया? 7,28,000. Find out somewhere else if you are getting realization का credit balance. No. हो गया? तो मतलब क्रेडिट साइड का रियलाइजेशन का टोटल इज 7,28,000 माइनस डेबिट साइड का टोटल. तो रियलाइजेशन डेबिट कितना है? 5,70,000. सो सबट्रैक्ट 5,70,000 फ्रॉम 7,28,000. यू विल बी गेटिंग 1,58,000. दूसरा कहां पर डेबिट हुआ है रियलाइजेशन? ईयर इन द फिफ्थ एंट्री. कितने से? 72,000 से. सो सबट्रैक्ट 72,000 from 1,58,000. You will be getting 86. Let's find if we have another entry. Yes, seventh entry में realization again it is debited with 25. So 86 का बैलेंस मिला था, 25 लेस किया तो I got 61,000 rupees का profit with me. So how much profit I have? I have 61,000 का profit. कैसे किया? Again I am repeating. Realization account जितना भी credit side था, we have taken the total of credit. We got 7,28,000. We have subtracted the debit side का realization का total from that. So we got 61,000 rupees का profit. Okay, 61,000 का profit. Now profit is divided among the partners in the profit sharing ratio. In this sum we have a profit sharing ratio of 3:2:1. तो 61,000 को divide करेंगे 3:2:1 में. And what will be the journal entry? Partners capital account debit to realization. Nah. The journal entry for the profit will be realization account debit to partners capital account. And this we have to divide in the profit sharing ratio. Chalo. So pass the entry. Realization account debit to partners capital. Write down the name of each partner. 61,000 को divide करो in the ratio of 3:2:1. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 61,000 divided by 6, multiply by 3 if you do, you will be getting 30,500. Multiply by 2 if you do, you will be getting 20,333. And if I multiply it by 1, I will be getting the side capital of 10,167 rupees. Okay, so we have closed the realization account. Now this profit, ये जो भी profit हुआ, वो profit कहाँ पर transfer होगा? This profit will get transfer in the partners capital account. Correct? Class, we have again one thing. If you are still finding the difficulty, what you can do? Rough में you can prepare the realization account and you can see. Okay, if you want ना तो rough में partners capital account और realization account prepare करके भी तुम लोग एक बार check कर सकते हो. Or else it is even easy to find out from the journal entries the total of realization and partners capital. ठीक है? अब next step will be recording this profit in the partners capital account. अब देखो हाँ, पहले ये देखते हैं कि पार्टनर्स कैपिटल का बैलेंस कितना है. सो स्टार्टिंग विथ हीरा. हीरा इज आवर फर्स्ट पार्टनर. कितना है इसका? 3 लाख. ठीक है, 3 लाख का है. सो दिस 3 लाख वेयर वी यूज टू रिकॉर्ड इन द पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड, राइट? 3 लाख रुपीज ऑन द कैलकुलेटर. अब देखो कहीं हीरा क्रेडिट हुई है क्या? फाइंड आउट इन द जर्नल एंट्रीज समवेयर वेयर द हीरा इज क्रेडिटेड. इज हीरा क्रेडिटेड समवेयर? ना, क्रेडिट नहीं हुआ है. यस, ईयर प्रॉफिट कितना है? प्रॉफिट 30,500. सो 3 लाख प्लस 30,500 करो, यू विल बी गेटिंग 3 लाख 30,500 माइनस डेबिट का टोटल. अब देखो हीरा इज डेबिटेड ओवर ईयर. हीराज कैपिटल इज डेबिटेड ओवर ईयर. कितने से? 9,000 से. सो माइनस 9,000. हाउ मच यू विल बी गेटिंग? यू विल बी गेटिंग 3,21,500. सो हीराज कैपिटल कितना हो गया टोटल? 3,21,500. नाउ वी आर गिविंग द इक्विटी शेयर्स टू देम. ठीक है, नाउ इक्विटी शेयर विल बी डिवाइडेड इन द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. What is the profit sharing ratio? 3:2:1. So this 6 lakh will be divided in the ratio of 3:2:1. So how much you will be getting? 6 lakh divided by 6. So 1 lakh into 3 will be 3 lakh. ठीक है, तो 3,21,000 में से आई एम गिविंग 3 लाख रुपीज का शेयर टू द हीरा. तो बैलेंस कितना बच गया? 21,500. सो दिस 21,500 विल गो इन द कैश अकाउंट बिकॉज इतना हम apart from equity share we are giving the cash. Same way you will calculate it for the Zelia. अब देखो Zelia का कितना कैपिटल है? 2 लाख का कैपिटल है. Then add profit in it. कितना मिला? Zelia का प्रॉफिट कितना है? From 8th entry you got the profit 20,333 माइनस डेबिट का टोटल. Zelia डेबिट कहाँ हुई है? 3rd एंट्री में with the amount of 6,000. So what will be the total capital of the Zelia? 2,14,333. Again we are going the equity share. तो 6 lakh और इसका रेशियो कितना था? 2. So कितना? 6 lakh divide by 6 into 2. If you do, I will be getting 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh का I am giving the equity shares. So 2,14,333 में से if I subtract 2 lakh, I will be getting the balance of 14,333 का balance. Same way you have to calculate it for the Saeed. देखो Saeed का capital कितना दिया है in balance sheet? 1 lakh. Add profit in this. Saeed credit किधर हुआ था? Profit के time. Profit it is 10,167 minus इसका डेबिट टोटल कितना था? 3,000. सो माइनस 3,000 इफ आई डू, आई विल बी गेटिंग अ टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ 1,71,067 रुपीज. उसमें से हम उसको शेयर, तो 6 लाख डिवाइड बाय 6 इंटू 1, क्योंकि इसका शेयर कितना था? 1/6. सो ही विल बी गेटिंग 1 लाख. बैलेंसिंग फिगर कितना आएगा? बैलेंसिंग फिगर 1,07,167 minus 1 lakh if you do, you will be getting a balancing figure of 7,167. सो जो भी बैलेंस बच गया दैट विल बी द कैश. ठीक है, डेबिट माइनस क्रेडिट करेंगे तो जो भी बैलेंस बचा वो कैश आएगा. तो दिस, so by passing this entry, what we have done, we have closed the partner's capital account. And with this, we have completed even with our sum. Any doubt? Any doubt if you are facing, then just let me know. Any doubt till here?